Take a look around you, on college campuses, inside gyms, at offices, airports, cafes, and even at weddings. One thing stands out everywhere: sneakers. India is no longer a formal shoes country. India is becoming a sneaker nation. What started as sports footwear has turned into a full-blown lifestyle movement. From affordable daily wear sneakers to premium streetwear drops, sneakers today represent comfort, confidence, and culture. They're worn by students, professionals, creators, and even CEOs. But here's the real question entrepreneurs should be asking. Who is actually making money from this sneaker boom? The answer is simple: brands, manufacturers, and D2C founders who spotted this shift early and built smart businesses around it. India's sneaker market is growing at double-digit speed, powered by a young population, Instagram-driven fashion trends, fitness awareness, and booming online shopping. And the most exciting part? You don't need to be Nike or Adidas to win. You just need the right strategy, branding, and execution. For entrepreneurs, this isn't just a fashion trend, it's a scalable consumer brand opportunity waiting to be built. Here's exactly what we'll cover today. The target audience for a sneaker shoes business. Market research and analysis with growth data and key trends. Marketing and sales strategy to build a strong sneaker brand. Financial planning including setup cost and profit margins. Funding and investment options you can explore. Company incorporation and legal requirements. Supporting documents you'll need. And finally, how Market Research Universe can help you build and scale your sneaker brand in India. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The sneaker shoes business in India appeals to a massive and fast-growing audience. Urban youth aged 16 to 35 driven by fashion and streetwear culture. College students and young professionals looking for stylish daily wear. Fitness enthusiasts, runners, and gym goers. Online shoppers buying sneakers through Amazon, Myntra, and D2C websites. Retailers and distributors looking for private label sneaker suppliers. Export buyers sourcing affordable, quality footwear from India. And investors backing D2C consumer brands with high growth potential. With over 65% of India's population under 35, this customer base is only expanding. Market research and analysis. India's sneaker market is no longer niche, it's mainstream. In 2025, the Indian sneaker shoes market is valued at around $4.5 billion. By 2035, this market is expected to cross $12 billion. That's a strong 11% CAGR over the next decade. What's driving this growth? Casual dressing replacing formal wear, rise of D2C sneaker brands, influence of global streetwear and celebrity culture, fitness and athleisure becoming everyday fashion, Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities buying online. Key trends: homegrown sneaker brands gaining trust, custom designed and limited edition drops, sustainable and vegan footwear materials, online first and Instagram-driven brands. Brands like Campus, Sparks, HRX, Red Tape, and new D2C startups are already active, but demand is far bigger than supply. Marketing and sales strategy. In the sneaker business, branding is everything. So, here's what you need to think about. Position your brand around lifestyle, comfort, and youth culture. Build a strong brand story. Maybe it's Indian-made, sustainable, or performance-driven. And don't forget to focus on design, packaging, and your overall visual identity. Now, for sales channels, you'll want a D2C website for the highest margins, plus online marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and Ajio. Offline retail stores and multi-brand outlets are important too, and if you want rapid expansion, consider a franchise model. Export markets in the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia can also be quite lucrative. For promotions, influencer marketing on Instagram and YouTube really helps, as do celebrity or athlete collaborations. Performance ads on Meta and Google, limited drops, and scarcity-based launches can create a lot of buzz. Oh, and campus ambassador programs work really well for reaching younger audiences. In sneakers, attention creates demand, and demand creates brands. Financial planning and profit margins. Let's talk money. To start a small D2C sneaker brand, you'll need somewhere between 30 and 60 lakhs. Design and sampling, RC 5 to 8 lakhs. Inventory and manufacturing, Rs 15-25 lakhs. Website and branding, Rs 3-5 lakhs. Marketing and influencer campaigns, Rs 5-10 lakhs. For a mid-scale manufacturing brand, you're looking at 2 to 5 crores. Factory setup and machinery, Rs 1.53. CR, raw materials and molds, Rs 50-80 lakhs. Branding and distribution, Rs 30-50 lakhs. Working capital, Rs 50-70 lakhs. In terms of profit margins, manufacturing margins are usually around 20 to 30%. D2C sneaker brands can expect 40 to 60% gross margins, while premium and custom sneakers can go above 60%. Break-even typically happens within 18 to 36 months, and once brand recall kicks in, sneaker businesses scale very fast. Funding and investment options. Funding opportunities are strong because sneakers fall under consumer brands and direct-to-consumer, a favorite category for investors. Bootstrapping works well for direct-to-consumer brands initially. When it comes to government schemes, there are MSME loans under CGTMSE, Mudra, and PMEGP loans, Startup India benefits, and even state industrial subsidies for footwear units. For external funding, you can look at angel investors and seed funds, venture capital for scalable direct-to-consumer brands, strategic retail and distribution partners, as well as export financing for global sales. Investors really love sneaker brands because they combine repeat purchases with strong branding. Company incorporation and legal setups. Before launching, make sure your business is legally ready. The best structure is usually a private limited company if you want to scale and attract funding, but small brands can definitely start as an LLP or proprietorship. Mandatory registrations include GST registration, UDIAM MSME registration, factory license if you're manufacturing, trademark registration for brand protection, import-export code for exports, and BIS, or quality compliance if that applies. Supported documents required. You'll need a few important things: identity and address proof of founders, MOA and AOA, or an LLP agreement, factory or warehouse documents, supplier and manufacturing agreements, product designs and brand assets, plus financial projections and a business plan. How Market Research Universe can help. Building a successful sneaker brand requires research, strategy, and execution. That's where Market Research Universe, or MRU, can help. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It is basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you. I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set. And I'll, being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity. And then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Fellow Program in Market Research and Business Consulting. So till the time, I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now, this is the India best and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform, you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course, through this platform, our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform, we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me. And I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to keep continuing with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.